That's my smart girl. Eat slowly, don't choke while playing.
Mom, where is my milk? I want milk.
Of course, sweetheart. Wait a second, I'll get it for you. Have some milk too, Mom? No.
It looks fun. Can I watch for a little bit?
Didn't you hear her? I did. Don't stand there staring like a beggar. Go do your job. Hang the clothes carefully. Don't let them fall to the ground. Oh no. It's ruined. No. No, please. I didn't mean to. I'm sorry. Mom, please. It's dark in here. I'm scared. Are you done crying? Get up! The dishes in the sink are piling up. Go wash them right now, and if you break a single plate, you're going right back in here.
Mom, look at this. They just released new winter outfits. I need new clothes too.
If you like it, I'll take you to buy it.
Yes.
Mia, stop what you're doing and come here. You come with us. I need someone to carry the bags for me.
Listen carefully. You are not coming to shop. You are coming to work, Ba.
I understand.
Don't ask for anything. Don't touch anything. And don't embarrass me in public by acting like you belong with us.
Yes, Mom.
When we get back, don't make me repeat myself.
Wow, Mom. This pink coat is so pretty. It's perfect. We're buying it. Mom? That one looks warm too. Can I?
Your clothes are fine. Don't start asking for things you don't deserve. Money doesn't grow on trees.
Mom, I'm thirsty. Mom, I want this. Then we'll get it.
What are you looking at? Cheap things like that aren't for someone like you.
I like that one too.
Step back!
Lily, come here and take a picture with Mom.
Isn't she your daughter, too?
No, she's just someone I'm taking care of for now. Just keep walking. Don't drop anything. Don't make a mistake.
Mom, let's go faster. I want to see the next store before everything is gone.
I'm sorry, I didn't see the floor. I couldn't. my God! What are you doing? Are you completely useless? Those things are so expensive!
I'm fine. I just need to pick everything up. I can't mess this up again.
We're going straight down to the parking garage. I don't want to stand here all day.
Just a little longer.
This stupid thing isn't working! No, it can't be dead right now. My phone has no battery. This can't be happening.
Where's Santa? I'm okay. Mom, follow me, okay? Breathe in slowly, then breathe out. I'm right here. You're not alone. Stay with me. Don't be scared. I won't let anything happen to you. Why isn't anyone coming? This is taking forever. Ugh.
Mia, I was wrong. I was so wrong. I'm very sorry, my little girl. Lily. Come here.
From this moment on, you don't deserve these. Mom? What are you doing? Give it back!
No, you stood there and did nothing while I couldn't breathe. You only cared about yourself.
I didn't know what to do. That's not my fault.
I'm sorry. I don't deserve your kindness, but I will spend the rest of my life trying to make this right now.
It's okay, Mom. Can I call you Mom?
From now on, you are my daughter. You always should have been.
Thank you so much for watching until the end. Don't forget to subscribe to the Easy English Stories channel.